Hello guys, this is Garrett Turner here, and I am going to show you my entire fire alarm collection as I have it here. So I'll just go over everything. We got my MS2 panel in the back, junction box, system sensor mass ADA, Spectral Alert L series, SP2RL, SPRL, the Spectral Alert Advance SPRK, Spectral Advance P2RK, Spectral Advance 1224 MC speaker strobe, Willock MT12MS, Willock ET7 EH60, Willock EHDL1 WM24, Willock Potter SH120, Potter SL1224MC, Simplex 4903-94, Simplex 4903-9418, Simplex 4903-9425, and Edwards Genesis, a Willock 7002T-24, Edwards Siga 270 SPO, a Notifier BG10, Firelight BG12, Firelight BG8, FCI MS2, SIGCOM pulse station, Simplex 4099-9401, I3, 2 heat detectors, Simplex smoke detector, and a random junction box. So that is my collection in short. This is all my devices.